Through Mary, peace is restored to the world. Saint Cyril of Alexandria was the great champion of the title, Mother of God, as a way of affirming that her Son was truly God. This hymn to Our Lady celebrates her role as expressed in that title. Glory be to you, Holy Mother of God, masterpiece of the universe, brilliant star, glory of virginity, scepter of faith, indestructible temple inhabited by him whom immensity cannot contain, Virgin Mother of him who, blessed forever, comes to us in the name of the Lord. By you the Trinity is glorified, the Holy Cross celebrated and venerated throughout the universe, the heavens are joyful, the angels tremble with joy, the demons are put to flight, man passes from slavery to heaven. Through you idolatrous creatures have come to know the incarnate truth, the faithful have received baptism, churches have been raised over all the world. By your assistance the Gentiles have been led to repentance. Finally, through you, the only Son of God, source of all light, has shone on the eyes of the blind who were sitting in the shadow of death, CLK 1-79. But Virgin Mother, who can speak your praises? Let us, however, celebrate them as well as we can, and at the same time adore God your Son, the chaste bridegroom of the Church, to whom is due all honor and glory now and through all eternity. Saint Cyril of Alexandria, homily against Nestorius in God's presence, consider. Have I ever questioned, or heard others question, the title, Mother of God, for Mary? Do I understand that to deny her that title is to deny that Jesus is God, since she is his mother? Closing prayer. A frequent aspiration of Saint Francis Xavier, Mother of God, remember me.